Alright, here we are. Today I would like us to look at the key of E flat. Let's look at the scale of E flat from 1 up to 7. Looking at the chords, we're gonna be using the triads, and then we're gonna be playing from 1 up to 7. And then first we're gonna be looking at that using the left hand. This is very important. Make sure that you know your 1 up to 7, and then from them I'm gonna be looking at the tri keys using my right hand, right? So you want to make sure that you watch this until the end. This is going to help you if you want to learn to play your piano in the key of E flat, or maybe you have been playing in this key but now you want to know more, or you just want to understand or have an understanding of your key. It's very important, right? Let's look at this now. You have your 1, you have a 2, you have a 3, you have a 4, 5, 6, 7, and then back to 1 again. Right, let's do them again. So you have your okay, you have your 1, you have a 2, you have a 3, you have a 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So obviously when I'm taking my 1 from here, I'm just taking it, just one up, 1 octave up, right? But it's still the same thing. Now I want to make sure that you know that, be familiar with the sound, how it sounds. Be familiar with that, right? Get your hand used to that, get your ear used to that. Now when you're done with that, let's see how that now match with the keys, the triad keys that you're gonna be playing with your right hand. Now first I'm gonna I use my left hand first. Now let's use my right hand. Then the next step we're gonna do, we're gonna be playing with both hands, and then from there we'll do 1 or 2 songs, right? I'm gonna show you how I can put together those keys that you have learned, those chords that you've learned to form the progression of the songs, right? So 1, 1 in the key of E flat. It's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, it's a 5, and then it's a 6. The last one, 7, right? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. For the last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Root chord of your 1 up to 7. Make sure that you get used to that. Spend time learning this. For some it might take only a day, for some it might take more than maybe a couple of hours, maybe more than a day if it's the first time on the actual piano. But with practice you get better, right? Now let's put this together with your left hand. Let's see how that works out. So 1, so 2, so 3, go to the next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this for the last time, and then we move to some progressions, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Now let's quickly look at the one of the songs, right? Using this triad chords, right? Let's form a song, something that will will get your hands used to this, because I'm just playing one after seven. It can be boring for some. So if you are using these keys to this chords to play a song, then it becomes more fun, right? I don't know what's your favorite song. It's always tricky when I have to think of a song, but let's see this simple one. Our God is an awesome God, right? It's our God, right? Let's start on four. Four is a Norse. 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6. Our God is an awesome God, He reigns from heaven above. You get it, right? If you heard that song before, you know that this is a line, so I'm not gonna sing along. Let's see. I hope this helps. Please take your time, spend time practicing this. With time, it gets better. Cool. Bye.